70 Gazans injured while protesting near security fence. One Israeli killed, 2 injured in West Bank explosion. Qatari official visiting Gaza to discuss de-escalation. Regime attack causing humanitarian crisis in Syria, Erdogan. Turkey remains committed to open door policy. Over 340,000 Syrians returned home from Turkey. Iran unveiled indigenously produced air defense system. Iran test fires new missile amid tension. Algeria stampede at music concert kills 5. Experts warn ongoing abuse precludes Rohingya return. Pakistan warns India playing with fire in Kashmir. Kashmir restriction return amid call to march.